The life cycle of a honeybee is a fascinating process that showcases the complexity and efficiency of these remarkable insects. This document outlines the stages of development that honeybees undergo, from egg to adult, and highlights the roles of different castes within a hive. Understanding the life cycle of honeybees is crucial for beekeepers, researchers, and anyone interested in the vital role these pollinators play in our ecosystem. The life cycle of a honeybee begins when a queen bee lays eggs in hexagonal wax cells within the hive. Each egg is tiny, about the size of a pinhead, and is deposited in a cell that has been prepared by worker bees. The eggs are white and oval-shaped, and they hatch within 3 days. Once the eggs hatch, the larvae emerge and enter the larval stage. During this phase, the larvae are fed a diet of royal jelly, a nutrient-rich substance produced by worker bees. After about 3 days, the diet changes to a mixture of honey and pollen. The larval stage lasts for about 6 days, during which the larvae grow rapidly and molt several times. After the larval stage, the honeybee enters the pupal stage. The larvae spin a cocoon around themselves and undergo metamorphosis. This stage lasts about 12 days for worker bees and drones, while queen bees take about 7 days. During this time, the bee's body undergoes significant changes, transforming from a larva into a fully formed adult bee. Once the pupal stage is complete, the adult honeybee emerges from the cell. At this point, the bee is fully developed and ready to take on its role within the hive. Honeybees can be classified into 3 main castes: queens, workers, and drones. Queen bees, the primary reproductive females in the hive, responsible for laying eggs. Worker bees, non-reproductive females that perform various tasks, including foraging for food, caring for the queen and larvae, and maintaining the hive. Drones, male bees whose primary role is to mate with a queen during the mating flight. The life cycle of honeybees is a remarkable journey that highlights the intricate social structure and division of labor within a hive. From the initial egg stage to the emergence of adult bees, each phase plays a critical role in the survival and productivity of the colony. Understanding this life cycle not only enhances our appreciation for these industrious insects, but also underscores their importance in pollination and biodiversity.